And finally, do you have any message to anyone relating to your independence struggle?
Yes, our just struggle is merely political. It's a struggle of survival for the Achenese, both as a people and as a nation.
Yeah.
My name is Zainuddin Daud. I was born and brought up in Sweden, and I belong to the third generation of the Free Aceh. To begin with, Aceh is one of the eldest countries in Southeast Asia and has been under Indonesian occupation since 1949, which is almost 70 years. Today, I and hundreds of Aceh diaspora from Sweden and Denmark has gathered here in The Hague to commemorate the 145th anniversary of the declaration of war made by the Dutch, by the Netherlands.
Do you have specific reasons why you are demonstrating here?
Well, first and foremost, we're here because there's a feeling that the Netherlands is still at war with us. The declaration of war made by the Netherlands was never revoked by them. After the Second World War, Aceh was handed over by the Dutch East Indies to Indonesia, and that is not correctly by the UN decolonization procedures.
No,
yes. So in this case, Aceh should have been given back to the Achenese instead of being made illegally a part of Indonesia. Okay.
What are your strategies to achieve the goals of your struggle?
First of all, we want the world's attention to the Aceh issue, and that it should be reopened, and the UN should reopen the case. And second is to raise awareness to all the stakeholders that the Achenese has the right to self-determination and the right to their fundamental right. And third, that Indonesians should stop invading our country and they should leave us alone, because we think we are more capable of deciding for ourselves. Okay.
ASNLF is a member of UNPO. What do you think UNPO can do to help your cause?
Yes, as an international organization, I think UNPO can do a lot to us. For example, they have international networks, and they have access to the UN headquarters, as in New York and Geneva as well, and they also have access to the European headquarters. And UNPO also do trainings and advocacy and negotiations, and to train our youth. Okay.
And finally, do you have any message to anyone relating to your independence struggle?
Yes, our just struggle is merely political. It's a struggle of survival for the Achenese, both as a people and as a nation. For Indonesia, I have this message. Number one, respect our historical rights. Number two, stop plundering our natural resources, as you've been doing for 50 years. Number three, for 50 years you have killed more than 50,000 innocent Achenese. Stop doing it now. And number four, leave us alone and let us decide our own future, because we believe we are more capable of. Okay. And to the people of Aceh, let me say like this: as long as we are united, we will make it through. Our future is in our hands, and we should not let anyone decide for us. Okay. And we have the last words, whether we choose to live in freedom or to be enslaved forever. the future is our own hands and not in anybody's disposal. As our religion teaches us, man proposes and the Almighty disposes. Do your best and leave the rest to Allah. Thank you very much.